Hey, coach, on NVIDIA, is this where you would look for a double bottom bounce, or you think it's too heavy and think it wouldn't hold?
Well, this is where if I'm in the puts where we were when we called it up here at 134.25, I take some off in case it does bounce. And then, but I won't take it all off because I'm in really good. And then if it doesn't bounce, I add in on the break below it. I always take it major key areas and then I can add or take away or do what I want from that spot. Makes sense? Because we never know. We just don't know. It's been respecting the 9 though this whole way down, right? Now right there. So right here. Okay, so this is the actual double bottom right now. You see here? This is the double bottom. You see this wick right here? This is double bottom. Everybody see it? And there's your NVIDIA double bottom bounce. Do you see that?
Yep. So is this where you go long, or is it still too heavy?
You wait.
No, well, we wait for confirm. Now you got confirmation long. See it? Remember, long candle or a confirmation candle. Is this a long candle? That's a monster, right? But I would have caught it. I would have caught the double bottom. I would have been in those calls right about there. Remember, we do it early, everybody, right? I don't wait for it to be here. I get in it right here. I get the nice bounce to the upside. Makes sense?
If we keep tapping over and over again, then we feel like
It'll
things might
push through
continue.
it. Yeah, then it'll push through it, right? The more times it touches, it'll eventually want to break through, right? So right here, what do I mean by that? So right here, if this pops up to this 9 and comes back, I'm going to look for it to break through because it couldn't clearly make a double bottom bounce, which if you look at it would be like a cup handle. So if this can't stay up above this 9, it will push on the 9, come back, and I will hammer those puts. This is a cup. This is the handle. This is the retest. Breaks through. I am going to hammer this. Make sense? It's a reverse cup and handle, gang, with a retest.
Inverted cup handle.
That's
Yep.
right.
Same thing.
It's the exact same, just other side. It's my favorite trade. It's a nice setup. They're major areas, right? Everybody's looking. It's something you can quickly identify. That's why people love it. And because you can quickly identify, once you know what you're looking for, then you already know that everybody else is quickly identifying.